Okay, checking out the Aquaponics setup again today. Gonna try another video with a different microphone, kind of go over things. And I got the grow bed up top, don't have any gravel in it yet, and there's the water feeding into the grow bed. And we've got the auto siphon or bell siphon, that 2-inch pipe sticking up. Let me go a little closer here to kind of give you an idea here. It's got the 1-inch pipe, PVC stand pipe. You'll see the notches cut on the bottom for the water intake. And we got a series of valves down here. I got a separate valve for the grow bed on the top, so we can meter the amount of water that goes into the grow bed. Got a valve down there on the bottom that actually for the spray bar that I have on the back of the back side of the tank, the fish tank on the bottom. I'll show you a little view of that. You can see the water spraying down there, give us some good aeration. Lots of oxygen for the fishies. And go around to the other side and show you a little closer up. Spray bar, you can see how much water it's churning up. I think that'll be sufficient. Shouldn't have to add any air pumps or anything. Okay, we got the of course the pump down there in the bottom. You see the pump. That's a got it from Northern Tool. It's actually a waterfall pump. I think it's 2,400 gallons per hour. So that's why I wanted to put the spray bar in there, so I could make use of some of that high volume of water. And also got a hose bib in case I want to use the water, you know, when I'm doing change outs and stuff, to water the garden, flowers, whatever. And I got a thermometer down here too. I'm going to check the temperature. Let's see. Bought a nice floating thermometer. Looks like it's about 46 degrees, I believe. Yeah, about 46. So it's not a whole lot warmer than it was last night. I guess the temperature hasn't changed much. Plus there hadn't been too much sun. Anyway, we take kind of a walk around the unit here, and you can see I used 3-inch PVC, and I've got a T there with a piece of PVC going across for some added support for the grow bed. I hope that's going to be enough. We'll find out. And just kind of made a frame for it, and I've got some pieces of it's actually like the fence post top rail, even though that piece there is from an antenna mast that I had laying around. But to slip down over that square tubing here, and you know, so I'd have something to sit the grow bed on top of, and the support structure. So anyway, I got it hanging off the back a little bit. I didn't turn it sideways. A lot of people turn it sideways. This just kind of worked for what I was doing, and actually the way I put the bell siphon in, and I wanted it on the front side, so yeah, it worked out the way I wanted it. So everything came together pretty well. Anyway, I'm going to move this over by my grapevines, which is over that way by the 2 posts. And that way when winter comes around again, If I decide to leave it out here, I may try to put like a little greenhouse type setup over it. Who knows? And I also made these little caps here. And that metal's very sharp, and I didn't want to cut those off in case I ever needed them for support. So I made some 3/4 PVC caps with short pieces of pipe to put over those to protect you from cutting yourself. And I need to do some more on the other sides, but I just haven't got around to that yet. So things are coming together, and I'm going to scrub this thing down real good and rinse it real good, wash it real good in case there's any residue from the PVC glue and all that. And who knows, I'll be ready to start cycling it and get it ready for fish before too long. That'll do it for now.